Hello, kakapanood nyo lang ng video ko. Ito naman yung latest, 3 buwan naman. Month of May, June, and July. Ito yung mga cheque. Ito yung cheque ko na month of May. May 7, 89,550. May 7, 61,200. May 28, 90,900. 41,400. For the whole month of May, kasama yung gift certificate, ang total ko 741,900 for the whole month of May. May June pa. June 4, 104,850. June 25, 93,150, 19,800, 3,600. For the whole month of June, kasama yung gift certificate, ang total ko 684,400. May July pa. July 2, 101,250. July 30, 93,600, 18,000. July 30. For the whole month of July, kasama yung gift certificate, ang total ko 733,350. Kaya pag pinagsama mo yung May, pag pinagsama mo yung June at July, ang total niya 2,159,650 in just 3 months. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Union Bank. Papa-encash natin to. So this time 3 buwan. Ang total niya 2,159,650.
Okay, 1 million.
Napa-encash ko na. So 3 buwan, month of May, June, July. Ito yung total niya. 1,690,000. So bilangin natin kung tama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 90,000. So ang total niya 1,690,000 plus may kasama pang gift certificate. So ang total niya 2,159,650 in just 3 months. Month of May, June, July. So abangan nyo next month naman.